Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. They are rolls with beef and they're delicious and easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to follow and watch more videos. First of all, let's do the filling. 400 grams of mushrooms, let's cut them into squares, and 1 white onion into little squares. Also, a red bell pepper into squares. And let's fry them up. First the mushrooms. When there's no liquid left, let's add the oil and the onions. And let's fry them up until they're golden. Then let's add some salt and pepper. Let's add them in a bowl and let them sit. Also, let's add the red bell pepper into the mixture and mix it all together. Now let's prepare the beef. I'm using 1 kilogram and cutting them into slices. Then let's beat them until they are juicy. When it's all done, let's spread them out in a cutting board and add some salt and pepper and spread the spices. Now let's prepare the rolls. Take a beef slice and add 1 spoon of the mixture, then roll it out and set it aside. And let's proceed doing this with all of them. In another bowl, add 2 eggs, a little bit of salt, and let's mix it all together. A hot pan with some oil. I'm adding a lot because I'm frying them. Now let's dip the balls into eggs and then into breadcrumbs. And then let's fry them. Let's fry them until they're golden. When they're all done, let's let them sit on a paper towel and place them into the table. You can also decorate it with some leaves. They look delicious, they taste delicious, and they even smell amazing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, subscribe to my channel and follow me more for videos like this. Thank you for watching.